Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS Scanwatch Light, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. Before we start, if you want to set the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the WITHINGS HealthMate application. So, once the devices are paired together, tap on the WITHINGS Health application icon to open the app. Then tap on the devices icon in the top right corner, and on the My Devices page, you should see your Scanwatch Light. Now, right here you should see the option called Upcoming Alarm. Tap on it, and here we can set up the alarm clock. To do it, press and hold on the gray bar right here, and you can drag it to set the time on which the alarm should go off. So set the time to the one you want, for example 2:30, and then you can also enable the smart wake up time if you want to. You can adjust it or stretch it up to 16 minutes. And then once you set the time, tap on save, and the alarm will be added. And here you can edit it a bit further. You can select the days on which it should be active. You can also tap on the name and add the name for it. You can tap here to hide the additional options. You can also enable or disable the option to repeat the alarm, and you can enable or disable the alarm itself. Another thing you can do is to have multiple alarms if you like to. And you can also remove the alarm by tapping on the bin icon and tapping on OK. Like this. And of course, once you're done setting the alarms, you can close the app. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.